Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is especially useful if you work in multiple languages or need to match your system's language settings for a more seamless experience. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding, as access to preferences requires authentication. Once you're in, look toward the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find the menu option. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select Preferences. This is your control center for customizing how Acrobat behaves and displays information. In the Preferences window, you'll see a left sidebar with various categories. Click on Language. This section specifically handles all language-related settings for the application, allowing you to control how Acrobat communicates with you. Now navigate to the section labeled Application Language. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal your available options. Here, you can select your preferred language setting. You might see options like Choose at Application Startup, which gives you flexibility each time you open the program, or Same as Operating System, which automatically syncs Acrobat's language with whatever your computer is set to use. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. After making your selection, click OK to save your changes. This confirms your preference and applies it to your Acrobat settings. Now, if you selected Choose at Application Startup, there's one more step to complete the process. You'll need to restart Acrobat for the changes to take effect. Close the application completely and then reopen it. When Acrobat launches again, you'll be prompted to pick your language. This is where that startup option comes into play, giving you the flexibility to choose a different language each time you open the program if needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're working across different regions or simply prefer using the software in your native language, these settings give you complete control over how Acrobat presents its interface. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.